Hello everyone, our today's topic is determination of crushing value of aggregate. Okay, so its definition is what is meant by crushing value. So crushing value of aggregate is a relative measure of resistance of an aggregate to crushing under gradually applied crushing load is known as crushing value of aggregate. Okay, then let's see the required apparatus. So our required apparatus is first we required weighing balance machine, then we also required sieve. So in that we required 12.5 mm ISU, then 10 mm ISU and 2.36 mm ISU. Then also we required mold measuring cylinder with plunger. So in that the testing mold 15.2 centimeter diameter, open-ended steel cylinder with square base plate and plunger having a piston of diameter 15 centimeter. A rod, a rod would be inserted for lifting or placing the plunger in the cylinder with the provide holes across the stem of the plunger. Okay, and then we also required a aggregate sample. Then we required a CTM machine. Okay, then in next you can see here the apparatus in that mold. This is our cylindrical mold. Then let's see the procedure how to find out the crushing value. So firstly, sieve the material through 12.5 mm ISU and retain on a 10 mm ISU, and the aggregate shall be tested in a surface dry conditions. After that, fill the cylinder measure in a 3 layers of approximately equal depth, each layer being tamped 25 times with a rounded end of the tamping rod and finely level off using the tamping rod as a straight edge. Okay. After that, wet the material, that is WA or wet A. Okay. Then after that, a cylinder of the test apparatus shall be put in a position on the base plate and the plunger insert so that it rests horizontally on the surface plate, and the plunger insert so that it resists on this surface. Care being taken ensure that the plunger does not jump in the cylinder. After that, the apparatus with the test sample and the plunger in the position shall then be placed between the platen of the testing machine and the loaded as a uniform rate as possible so that the total load is reached in 10 minutes. The total load shall be 400 kilonewton. Okay, then the load shall be released and the whole of the material removed from the cylinder and sieve from 2.36 mm ISU, and the fraction passing the sieve shall be weighted, that is weight B. Okay, so from this calculation to find out aggregate crushing value, so how to find out? The calculation is the ratio of weight of fine form to the total sample weight in each test shall be expressed as a percentage. So how to find out the crushing value? So there is a formula, B divided by A multiplied by 100. So A means weight of dry sample and B means weight in gram of fraction passing through 2.36 mm ISU. Okay, and from this formula to find out the aggregate crushing value. Then in that test, the precaution is the plunger should be placed centrally and rest directly on the aggregate. Care should be taken that it does not touch the walls of the cylinder so as to ensure that the entire load is transferred onto the aggregate. Okay. Then in the operation of sieving the aggregates through 2.36 mm ISU and weighing care should be taken to avoid the loss of fines. Then the sum of weight of fraction retained and the passing the sieve should not differ from the original weight of the specimen by more than 1 gram. Okay. Then the tamping should be done properly by gently dropping the tamping rod and not by hammering action. So the tamping should be uniform over the surface of the aggregate, taking care that the tamping rod does not strike against the wall of the mold. Okay, these are the precaution while conducting this practical.